Have you ever wondered how to earn a decent side income from home? What if I told you that you could make $100 an hour using just Google Docs? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leverage this simple user-friendly tool to start a side hustle that's both effective and rewarding. We'll cover everything from why Google Docs is the perfect platform to identifying your skills, finding clients, setting your rates, and tips for long-term success. So, let's dive in and explore how you can turn Google Docs into your ticket to financial freedom. Section 1. Why Google Docs? User-friendly platform. Google Docs is accessible to everyone. Unlike other software that may require a hefty upfront investment, Google Docs is completely free to use. All you need is an internet connection and a Google account. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, its intuitive interface makes it easy to create and edit documents without any steep learning curve. Versatility. What makes Google Docs so powerful is its versatility. It's not just a basic word processor. It's a tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks. From writing articles and editing documents to formatting resumes and creating presentations, the possibilities are endless. Its real-time collaboration feature also makes it ideal for working with clients or team members from anywhere in the world. Accessibility. Another advantage is that Google Docs is cloud-based. This means you can access your work from any device at any time. Whether you're working from a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, your documents are always just a click away. Plus, the autosave feature ensures you never lose your work. Section 2. Identifying your skills. Before you start, it's essential to identify what skills you can bring to the table. Here are some ideas to get you started. Writing services. If you have a knack for writing, this could be your golden ticket. Google Docs is an excellent platform for creating articles, blog posts, scripts, or even ebooks. You can specialize in a niche like travel, technology, or health to attract specific clients. High-quality content is always in demand, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for it. Editing and proofreading. If you're someone with a keen eye for detail, you can offer editing and proofreading services. Many writers, students, and businesses need help polishing their work. From correcting grammar and spelling errors to improving sentence structure, your expertise could be invaluable. Document formatting. Believe it or not, many people struggle with creating professional-looking documents. This includes resumes, CVs, business proposals, and presentations. By mastering Google Docs formatting tools, you can help others make a strong impression with well-organized and visually appealing documents. Share real-life examples. Let me share a quick story. A while ago, I helped a friend format their CV using Google Docs. They were amazed by how professional it looked, and guess what? They landed a job interview the very next week. Simple tasks like this can have a big impact, and they're services people are willing to pay for. Section 3. Finding clients. Now that you know what services you can offer, the next step is finding clients. Here's how. Freelancing platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are fantastic places to start. They connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Create a professional profile showcasing your expertise in Google Docs-related tasks. Be sure to include any samples or testimonials you have to boost your credibility. Networking. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Instagram can be powerful tools for finding clients. Join groups or communities where potential clients might hang out, such as job seekers or small business owners. Introduce yourself and let people know what services you offer. A simple post like, "Need help with your resume or business proposal? I specialize in professional document formatting using Google Docs. DM me for details," can go a long way. Section 4. Setting your rates. Research market rates. Before setting your rates, it's important to do some market research. Check platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to see what others are charging for similar services. This will give you a baseline to work with. Valuing your time. To reach your goal of $100 per hour, calculate how long it takes you to complete different types of projects. For example, if it takes you 2 hours to format a resume, you should charge $200 for that service. Don't undervalue your skills or time. Clients are paying for your expertise. Section 5. Tips for success. Build a portfolio. A strong portfolio can set you apart from the competition. Create sample documents to showcase your skills. This could include writing samples before and after editing examples, or templates for resumes and business proposals. Having a visual representation of your work makes it easier for potential clients to trust you. Maintain communication. Good communication is key to building long-term relationships with clients. Be responsive, ask questions to clarify their needs, and keep them updated throughout the project. Happy clients are more likely to return or recommend you to others. Ask for feedback and referrals. After completing a project, don't hesitate to ask for feedback. Positive reviews can enhance your profile on freelancing platforms. Additionally, satisfied clients are often willing to refer you to others, helping you expand your client base. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're ready to start your Google Docs side hustle, don't wait. Take action today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And don't forget to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your success stories. Until next time, stay productive and keep hustling.